Hey everyone, in today's video, I am going to show you how to download and install Stellar Repair for MySQL. It's a very simple process. First, you have to go for Google Chrome browser, and here you need to search for Stellar MySQL. Click enter. And after you search for Stellar MySQL, you will get this website, Stellar Data Recovery. Click on that. And then you will get an option called free download. Click on that, and after a short time the download will be completed, as you can see. So if you just click on it 2 times, install and minimize the background, simply click next and check the I accept the agreement. Click next another time, next, and install. After completing the installation, you can simply click on finish and MySQL Stellar Repair box will be appeared. And from here you just need to select the problem folder, as like I'm choosing here program file and going to choose MySQL. Click OK. As you can see, no database present in data folder. So right now I don't have any data, but if you have any data, then you can simply browse and check the folder that you have problem. And if you press OK, then your problem will be solved. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.